In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your PayPal account to Gumroad. Whether you're selling digital products, art, or any other creations, linking PayPal makes transactions easier for both you and your customers. Start by logging into your Gumroad account. Once you're in, you will land on your dashboard, which is your central hub for managing products, sales, and account settings. Take a moment to get familiar with this area, as it's where most of your Gumroad activity happens. Next, head over to the settings section. You'll find it in the menu on your dashboard. Click on settings and you'll see various options to customize your account. Look for the payments section and click on it. Here, you'll see the option to add PayPal. Click on PayPal and you'll be prompted to enter your PayPal email address. Make sure this email is accurate, double check it to avoid any payment issues down the line. Once entered, you're all set. Congratulations, your PayPal account is now linked to Gumroad. With PayPal connected, your payment process is streamlined. Transactions become smoother and your customers get a trusted payment option. If you want, you can perform a quick test transaction to confirm everything is working perfectly. And that's it. You're ready to sell more effectively on Gumroad with PayPal as a payment option. Thanks for watching and happy selling!